Hey there, it's Brittany. I am back with the unboxing video of July's Magical Mystery Bead Box. I already took a look in there because I was super excited when I got it. The theme this month is, let me get this out of the way, Sugar Magnolia, which that is so cute. It's such a cool name, and I love the color scheme and that pretty flower on here. So, Sugar Magnolia Mini Bead Mix. These are the things that are inside. Blooming or Blossoms Blooming Tassel Assortment, Under the Willow Wooden Design Elements Bead Mix, Everything Delightful Crystal Glass Mix, Sweet Blossom Bead Strand Mini Metal Assortment, 8-inch Cup Chain, Chain Reaction, Boho Bead Pairs, 1 pair of wood flower beads. So first of all, I loved, I was actually pretty surprised by a couple things in here. Some of it was classic Jesse James, but there were 2 things that I was super excited about. So we'll just choose some things. This is the, which one is this? Blossoms Blooming Tassel Assortment. So guys, we have to figure out something for me to do with my tassels. I have way too many tassels and I don't know what to do with them. Although I have, for most of my life, not enjoyed this color. It's like a hunter green. I actually really like how it looks in this mix, and it's not this, the camera's not really picking up the richness of this color. It's really pretty. It looks really good in this color. And then we have some a creamy beige and then a tan brown. So those are really pretty. Next we have the cup chain, and it looks like it's pearl and crystal, I think. Let's see. I haven't used cup chain in a very, very long time. I kind of just have a little tiny collection of it, and this one's really pretty, actually. Just like that little pearl and the little crystal. I'll have to figure out something to do with that. What do you guys use cup chain for? I honestly haven't done it in years. Then we have the obligatory chain reaction. Looks like we have 2 strands this month. Still have never used any of my chain reaction. It's not because I don't like it, it's because I forget about it, and I haven't actually been making bracelets, or I'm sorry, I haven't been making necklaces while I'm making my bracelet challenge, or while I'm doing my bracelet challenge. So, sorry, this wrapping makes so much noise. So the first one we have, oh, it's like a really pretty, brown topaz with Aurora Borealis, or iridescent coating, and I always love these, little connectors they have in there. So in case you didn't want to use it as chain, you could use those as just connectors. And then we have a gray. So it's a nice gray with the Aurora Borealis on it. Very pretty. Next we have, I think this is called Everything Delightful Crystal Glass Mix. So pretty, but I haven't opened it yet, so I was waiting for you guys. So we have, I think, at least two of each bead. So we have these cute opaque tan, no, gosh, today I can tell my colors. Opal, off-white, it's cream. I have these in rondelles too, so those are really pretty. Next I have these in several different shapes too. It's like a tan peach. I love how all of these have luster on them. Except for, I don't think these have luster. These are like a cream peach color, and they're kind of 2 different, they're not two-tone, but the color's not fully mixed throughout, so it's pretty cool. And then, these are my favorites. Oh no, this one's just oh, this one's not very good. It's broken up here, and the bead's deformed down here. That's disappointing. Especially when you only get 2. You don't want one of them to be deformed. All right, well, that's not fun. And then I love the color on here though. And then next is the Sweet Blossom bead strand. So what do we have going on here? We have some green boho beads, green, I can't tell if that's glass or acrylic. This looks like a check glass rectangle, some acrylic beads, some copper spacers, and bead caps. This looks like another crystal. And then we have this cute shell covered boho bead. Very nice. I'll probably break this up and not use them together. I need to figure out a way to store my Jesse James beads, because the problem I'm having right now is I'm not using them because they're all in their original strands, and I don't tend to use Jesse James beads like that. So I think I've asked you guys this before, but if you could tell me if you guys have them, how you store Jesse James beads, that would be helpful. Here are the boho bead pairs. I really like this one. I like that it's two-tone. And so it's silver and gold. I think it's gold. And then we have a brown pair with silver. That one's kind of cool too. Maybe I just need to put all of my boho pairs in like a bead box. I don't really use bead boxes. And it's because I used to store them like that when I was a kid. And I don't know, maybe I don't like thinking about storing my beads that way. I don't know, whatever. It's weird. We all have a weird thing. So I'm going to put out a bead mat. I hate this color, but we have the Mini Mix Metal Assortment. Was that on the card? Yeah, Mini Metal Assortment. Okay. So I saw some interesting stuff in here. So we have copper and antique bronze. Actually, I don't like that. I can't stand that yellow. So we have these cute little butterfly charms. Those are adorable. We have some leaf beads. Copper leaf beads. I think I have these in silver, but I'm not 100% sure. Looks like we have a toggle. Antique bronze. I'm definitely going to patina that, because the detail is amazing on that. And we have another toggle. Well, that's pretty. It's like a loop-de-loop. And then, oh, do we have a third toggle? We do. That's kind of cool. I love toggle clasps. You guys know that. They're just really easy for me for bracelets. Oh, that one's pretty. I might have this in a different color too. And then we have a few bead caps. These are just like the standard bead caps. I have these probably in just about every color. Okay. Those out of screen. There we go. Well, good enough. And then we have the Mini Metalist. Nope, I already went through that. We have the Everything Delightful Crystal Glass Mix we did. And then we have the Sugar Magnolia Mini Bead Mix is what I'm looking at right now. So really cute. I love these little containers they come in. Very handy. And oh, it's taped closed. So I will open that. Okay, so here's the goodness in this mix. We have some, I can't tell if these are, these seem really lightweight to be metal. I think they're coated acrylic. Let's see. We also have some of these mini tassels. These are cute. Again, I don't think I've ever used those. I have tons of them. I have no idea what to do with them. More mini tassels. A little chocolate brown. Looks like, yep, we have more acrylic beads. These are really cute. I have these in like black and then some with silver dots and then some rainbow colors too. We have some frosted glass. Those are cute. The cool thing about this is they usually do pairs in these mixes, so you can make earrings. I know you guys know I don't really make earrings, but if I wanted to, I could. Oh, yep, we have two of these wood beads. Those are cool. I do really like these. I don't know what to call them. They're acrylic beads, and they have like bumpy sides that make them look like they're sparkling. Faux crystals or something. I think these are check beads. Very cool shape. We have some copperish, bronzy looking crystal barrels. That's a neat shape too. Some opaque, like creamy crystal rondelles. Some glass diamonds in green. And we have some crystal cubes in brown. Some acrylic teardrops. I think they have that miracle finish on them. No, you can't really see them on these. They might just be pearlized. No, this one's definitely got the miracle finish. I wonder if a couple of them, well, I think all of them do, but the camera's not really picking it up. If you guys know what that miracle finish is, that's what I'm talking about. We have a butterfly. We have some little beads in that miracle finish in cream. Oh, and some teeny tiny crystals in green. I like this green. It's like an olive. Very pretty. And then we have some crystal bicones. It's like a gunmetal. And then looks like we have some little teardrops. Pearl teardrops. So pretty cool mix. Pretty eclectic mix. And I like the color combo. Definitely reminds me of magnolia tree. I've only ever seen magnolia trees once when I went to Augusta, Georgia, and they're beautiful. However, they make a huge mess. Like, the leaves are just amazingly huge and they are everywhere. We went in May and they were all over the ground. And then the two things that I really liked when I opened this box, and I was kind of surprised because I haven't seen these types of things from Jesse James in the boxes yet, were a pair of wood flower beads and what is this other one called? Under the Willow wooden design elements bead mix. So these are really cool. So this is the wooden bead mix. Only 5 beads, but it's super awesome. It's so lightweight too. Like, look at that guy. You know this is right up my alley. Definitely my type of bead. And then we have these really cute, I have these in a slightly different, lighter color, but bigger beads. Those are awesome. And then this big focal. So you can make a pendant out of it. These are all awesome. I love them. Those are one of my favorite things in this box. And then I think these are my favorite things in the box, are these wooden flower beads. So let's open them up. These are just cool. I haven't seen anything like this before, especially from Jesse James. So it's like 2 wooden flowers, and I can't tell if that's actual metal in there or if it's wood painted metal. Bringing the other one close to, or like, oh yeah, that's definitely like inlaid metal. It's so cool. Those are gonna probably be focal. Well, obviously they're gonna be focals because I only have 2 of them. I want a whole like 7 strands of them. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed this box. It's not my typical color scheme at all, so it was fun to see what they came up with. I kind of think these items right here are much different than the other items in the box. So I don't know about the cohesiveness of this versus the other stuff. The other stuff's definitely cohesive, but I did love everything, and I am looking forward to playing with it all. And let me know if you guys store your Jesse James beads in a particular way, how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and share if you know anybody who would enjoy my videos, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye.